RF magnets for Namichan's artworks, and I'm gonna use these pine cones that she picked up from the park last year, and some glue sticks or hot glue, right? Frames from the 100 yen shop from Daiso, and I'll also like put magnets on the back so I can frame some of her works. You make this drawing, and who are these?
This is started with a squirty head.
A squirty head? What's a squirty head?
Like this head, like a squirty head, like a little bit of hair here.
Okay. And then who are the other two?
This is Mama, and this is Nami, the teeny tiny one. Like rabbits. My favorite. Mama made a mistake on this one. But that's okay, I can color it back here. Just a small
The magnet behind the frames. Just gonna clean up the glue later. You can draw anything. That's the frame.
This is Mommy exercise.
So these are some of the dried plants and flowers that we have collected over the years, and some of them are really old and broken. These ones I found on the side of the street, and I just collected them with my daughter. My daughter picked up from the park yesterday. It's not balanced anymore because obviously we lost some leaves on this side. I'll also use these acorn caps.
leaves are turning brown, red and yellow. Soon they'll be falling down. Now I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn.
I'm changing this plant to dried flowers as well because it's very green. Feels like it belongs to spring. So I'll bring this back in here once winter is done. But for the meantime, I'll bring this to the bedroom with these other plants. The rug that we have in the living room is this color, so this matches very well.
All that blossomed will wither away and die. Not now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon.